is a training video how we demonstrate MotorScrubber Jet. Okay, so the important thing to explain to the client is that this is a backpack cleaning machine which has many advantages, many benefits to the client. Once you have this comfortable backpack on, you're fully mobile. So it's battery operated. You have a battery on here which gives you 3.5 hours run time. And if you notice, the battery is low down, it's actually on your waist. So when you have the belt on, the weight is on your waist. There's no weight on your shoulders. Okay. So inside here you have a large commercial pump which is 116 psi, and this allows you to actually spray chemical at high level as well. So if you're cleaning shower areas and walls, you can spray and rinse chemical, and that's a unique feature to this machine. You also have a 1 litre bottle or a quart gallon container for your chemical, so you can easily take this under the tap, fill it up with fresh solution, and you have then chemical on your waist available to spray as and when you need it. Okay, so the first thing to do is show how easy it is to put the backpack on, and also how comfortable it is. So with our backpack, once you've got the belt on, okay, as you can see the battery's on the waist. There's no weight here on the shoulder strap, and you should be having a straight back with our machine. Okay, so in the past, if they've been manually scrubbing, you know, the bending down is bad for the back, but today is all about health and safety, and you want to promote a straight back, and you're letting the machine do all the hard work for you, so it's effortless. Okay, so how to set the machine up is have the machine out in front of you, and then you have a flip clip here which you undo, and you can extend the pole to any length. So how to set up the machine is have it in front of you and put your left arm out straight, and then extend the pole until this hits your hand. That's the correct position. So you can lock that into position. So now when I'm using the machine, I don't need to bend down. I'm in a nice, comfortable, straight position. Because my left arm is straight, I'm going to have control over the machine. Okay? So the first thing we like to go through is just the quality of the components which we select at MotorScrubber, because we only build quality, reliable machines with high cleaning performance, and it's reflected in the type of components which we design and which we select to use with our equipment. So firstly, this is a very special electrical connection. This is called a LEMO connector, and the military actually use this as a radio connection. So we've actually got military grade component on this machine. To open and close this connection, you just hold on to these textured areas like that, and it pulls apart easily. And you have 2 red dots there. So if you line up those red dots, that just clicks together like so, and then you can't pull that apart, and then just easily separate it. So this is full stainless steel. It's very strong. If you stood on it in the cupboard or something, it's not going to break. Okay, so to connect the water pipe, this is very simple as well. You have this white connection, just pull that back and it pulls out, and then just simply push the pipe in, and then you can't pull it out. So just pull the little fitting back, and it's as easy as that. This is actually a check valve, and it was made specially for our machine. So this stops any liquid dripping down your leg when you're not using it. Another little tip as well, if you don't have the machine connected, you've got a loop here which you can hang it on here, so then it's not dripping liquid down your leg and swinging around, so it's just more convenient. Right, so one last time we'll just connect this together as easily as that, and any possible weak point which could cause a problem, we over-engineered it to make sure you're not going to have any issues. So these restraints are very high quality, very strong. They're going to protect the water pipe and cable where it enters the machine. Your switch housing is machined aluminium. You have waterproof switches which are made in Britain. you have one switch which is for your pump, blue for water, so you hold this down to make it spray, and then you have a latching switch for your brush, so you press that once and then let go, and you can see it's depressed and the brush continues to spin. Press it again, let go, and it switches off. You've got a nice comfortable soft foam grip. Moving on to the handle here, this is forged aluminium, solid aluminium, with a nice soft rubber grip, so that allows you to really get control of the machine. Also it allows you to lift it up and pick it up, and now you can easily scrub and clean walls, showers, any high level cleaning with it. So we looked at the flip clip. I'll just show you this. You lift that up, okay, and now you can slide it to any length, right up to the stop point. Don't go any further than that, okay. Snap that down. If you need to, you can tighten it and loosen it so it's a stronger clamp if needed. Okay, so looking at the head, when you want to change the brush, what to do is get the handle and just put it into the inside of your foot like that, so it doesn't slide anywhere, and then hold on to the hub with your hand, and then hold on to the brush and just twist, and it lifts off like that. And you can see the locking mechanism, which you can see easier when you look at it this way. So you just line those up and then twist that on, as simple as that. So again, you know, any possible weak point, we engineered it very strong, so this arm here which holds the jet potentially is going to get banged into things. So this is forged stainless steel fitting, brass jet. It's all super heavy duty equipment. You have another check valve here which stops it dripping when you're not using it. Okay, you can also loosen this and you can change the angle of the head for different applications, but the trick is that once you've set it up and you've got it to the right length, you want the brush to be flat, perfectly flat on the floor, and then once it's flat, tighten it up so that's tight. I prefer to have it tight because then you can angle it and clean grout. You know, you can get it right down the grout line. So when you use the machine, it's a very low moisture cleaning, so you only need to just spray a little bit of moisture. It takes up to 30 seconds to prime the pump, but as you can see here, it primed within 5 seconds. So you can see you don't need a lot of liquid at all to clean quite a large area. When you need more solution, keep the brush flat, just spray a little bit more. The motor has a very high torque, so just to explain a little bit about the motor, which conveniently I have an open machine here. So we also like to explain why our machine is different, because there's one or two similar machines you could say, but our machine is by far the highest performance, the highest quality. We're the market leader in compact cleaning machines, and the reason for that is we have a glass-filled nylon casing which is super strong. It's designed for professional use. Our machines, you know, they're designed for the professional contract cleaner who needs a quality machine to last them many years and get the job done what they need to. So you have a 10,000 RPM motor which is geared down to 360 RPM. Now that's a very high speed, amazing at cleaning, and also fast enough for polishing as well. Inside here you have alloy gears. So our gears actually, Hitachi make these for us using their Nick alloy technology. You know, it's expensive to make the gears this way, but it gives alloy, lightweight, very strong gears which will last years and years, trouble-free use. You can also see our head is completely sealed as well, which makes our full machine completely waterproof. You can use this in the water, underwater. You can clean swimming pools into the water. You can clean the side of boats, which is a completely unique feature to our product. So it's worth explaining all these technical specifications and the quality of our equipment, because you pay for what you get, and ours is the premium product on the market. Okay, so after you've done the demonstration showing how to use the machine with a nice straight back, explain the benefits of our machine, which is battery, so you're going to have no trailing cable, because if you do have a trailing cable, it's a trip hazard. If your employee falls over and trips over on the stairs, you know, it's dangerous. You're going to put a claim in. Also, your employees are going to have a nice straight back, so long term it's better for their health. You're not going to have any back issues. It's also less effort for the employee as well, because they're not having to do the actual scrubbing and apply the pressure. With MotorScrubber, you let the machine do all the hard work for you. It's going to work faster as well, so you're going to have labour savings. You're going to have chemical savings, because you only use a very minimal amount of chemical. Instead of dunking a brush in a bucket and then putting it on the floor, you end up spilling a lot of chemical you don't need. And for the cost of the machine, you know, it's great value for money, and investment wise, for the amount of money they're paying on this, they have so many applications you can use it for. You know, for a small investment, you're going to get a machine which can clean around your toilets. The major uses for the machine is washroom cleaning these really difficult areas like around washrooms. Every building also has stairs as well, like around here. With the new stair brush, the bristles go up the side and on the bottom, so you can now scrub stairs. Without doubt, the Jet machine with the new stair brush is the best stair cleaning machine on the market today. You can spray just the right amount of chemical. Put the stair brush on, you have a hole in the middle, put your finger in the hole, twist the brush on. You can spray just the right amount of chemical. And with a good quality microfiber mop, you can absorb the residue and leave it clean and dry. So the machine has so many applications. For a small investment, you know, it's going to clean all these really difficult areas where the bigger machines can't reach. So just to explain, whichever equipment they have, whichever brand of machine they have, you also need a motor scrubber for cleaning those difficult areas where that bigger equipment can't access. And then you're going to offer a full cleaning solution, a full machine cleaning solution, so you can mechanically scrub those areas and get the whole 100% of the floor up to the same standard. If you need any more information, please check out our website, MotorScrubberClean.com.